Hello, hi, this is Jack Huang. I am a traditional Chinese medicine provider. It means I do acupuncture and the herbal therapies for my patients. Over the last few years, I have many patients asking me about various questions about postpartum care, including constipation, low back pain, low energy, breast milk production, and so on and so forth. And I have a very special drink for this new mother. This is called black bean water. It is very easy to make, and you can follow the video. So in about 20 to 30 minutes, we are able to produce 1 pound roasted black bean. This is good for about 1 to 4 weeks of black bean water, depending on how much you drink. And this is what black bean water looks like. WHO recommended exclusively breastfeeding for the newborn in the first 6 months. But CDC, the breastfeeding report card shows only 25.6% of women are able to do so in the United States. And the one reason for not breastfeeding is insignificant of breast milk production. In traditional Chinese medicine, there are two reasons for breast milk production reduction. One is liver qi stagnation, the other one is qi and blood deficiency. So liver qi stagnation, this is more for people's emotional up and down, like stress, anger, irritability, and so on and so forth. For qi and blood deficiency, this happens for upper age women when they have babies, and also for people who are tired easily or overwork. And so black bean water is very good for these categories. I mean, for qi and blood deficiency, it boosts the qi and it actually benefits the kidney by a whole lot. And the kidney is one of the organs that help with breast milk production. The other two are liver and your spleen, but kidney is very important. And then this also help you to get back in shape quicker. So highly recommend it for the new mother. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much. By the way, this black bean water is good for the fathers also. So cheers.